how do you compare insurance quotes one to the next? Here are 5 key principles for comparing quotes. Number 1, compare rate. This is the obvious point of comparison, but sometimes a low premium figure can be misleading. Anyone can offer a low premium on a $1 million building if they are only insuring $50,000 in limits. You really need to compare rate as opposed to premium. You calculate rate by dividing the premium by the total insurable values, which is composed of building values, content values, and loss of rents values. Number 2, compare co-insurance. Co-insurance penalizes a policyholder if they are deliberately underinsuring their property. If you insure your apartment for half of what it would cost to reconstruct, let's say replacement cost is $2 million, but you decide to insure it for only $1 million, then your claim would result in a 50% payout. A co-insurance at 100% requires the policyholder to insure 100% of full replacement value. 80% co-insurance provides a little more leniency, and getting co-insurance waived is the best. Compare co-insurance on your quotes to see which one offers more favorable terms. Number 3, compare valuation. Valuation refers to the way in which a loss is valued or measured. Replacement cost value, RCV, and actual cash value, ACV, are the 2 most common types of valuation. Having a replacement cost on your policy means the insurance company, after you have a claim, will pay the cost to repair or replace the damaged property. And ACV is the replacement cost minus depreciation. So if one quote has replacement cost and the other has ACV, and the price is pretty similar, you should definitely go with the quote that offers replacement cost valuation. Number 4, compare exclusions. Policy exclusions, especially for liability quotes, are easily overlooked and should be closely examined. Liquor liability exclusion, canine exclusion, and assault and battery limitation are just a few policy forms that significantly change coverage. Review the Schedule of Forms section of the liability quotes to see all applicable exclusions and limitations. Number 5, compare coverage extensions. Policies add bells and whistles to their program through coverage extensions, affording important protection like sewer backup, property in transit, and property of others. You can evaluate the various coverage extension items on a quote by looking at the first few pages, the deck pages, or at the Schedule of Forms at the end of the quote. There's not much uniformity quote to quote on which coverage extensions apply. One may include a certain item at a higher or lower sublimit, and it's often at the discretion of the insurance company. You may need to examine the pros and cons of the various items and decide for yourself which set of extensions are the best for your risk exposures. Well, there you have 5 tips for comparing insurance quotes. Check out more insurance tips specifically for apartment owners and managers on our website, rekerdres.com, or check out our YouTube channel. Thanks.